Hello everybody, thank you so much for pressing play on my video today. My name is Sharleen from stampwithshar.com. Happy Friday everybody, I'm super excited you're here. Fridays I either have a tip, a technique, or a trick to share with you, and I had an awesome tip to share with you, but a couple days ago my paper pumpkin came in and I actually haven't opened it yet. So today, this is the January paper pumpkin, and it's called I'll Be Yours. So I thought I'd share what came in here. Now let me know in the comments if you prefer to stick to schedule or if you don't really care. Nah, I haven't even opened this yet. You know, let me know if you don't care if we go off schedule. All right, so this is our stamp set. Nice big background. Be mine, handmade, let's be friends, for you, thank you, a little bee, some flowers, happy Valentine's Day, wishing you a lifetime of love. Oh, the little heart, it says with love. Isn't that awesome? Very cool. These are some glue dots. Our ink spot today is the mint macaron or macaroon. Oh, what is this? February paper pumpkin. Nice. And celebration. Now, celebration, you guys, for every $50 you spend, you get, after tax and shipping, you get to pick a free item, which is super fun. So I think the next paper pumpkin kit is going to go with this stamp set, which I have. So I'm super excited. Yay. And how nice does it come packaged? I love this. It's like getting a little surprise every month. So fun. So this is the January kit. And the kit makes 10 cards and envelopes and 20 treat bags, you guys. So that's quite a lot. Just saying. I don't want to cut my goods. Oh, nice, nice, nice. So we have some more glue. I don't know why we have extra glue. All right, so we got extra glue. We got some white baker's twine. Oh, we got dimensionals, mini dimensionals. That's always nice. We have some sequins, and I'm assuming these sequins are adhesive backs. Can't even find the opening. So we get two different colors, like a purpley and then like a pinky. And they've got adhesive on them. So they do have adhesive, you guys. How cool. We love it when they have adhesive. So that's that. And then we have, oh, how fun, how fun. How cool. These are the treat bags. And there's 20 of those. And they got the design, and it's like a metallic-y. Now it's hard to see on the camera, but it's like a little like metallic-y. Super cool. So there's that. Oh my goodness, just some more. So that's the 20 treat bags, you guys. These are the envelopes. These are 3 by 3. Fun. I love these sizes. These are the bases. You get 10 of those. We have some, now these, I'm assuming there's a bunch of them. We got 1, 2, 3. Now these just pop out. Just like that. They just like come right out. And these are not adhesive. There's no adhesive on these. Very cool. We also have a bunch of these pretty hearts. 3, I'm assuming. Yep. Oh no, 4. Wow. 4 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4 of these. Also, these don't have adhesive on the back. And then we also have some tags, you guys. Tags are always fun. We have only one of those. And then, of course, all Paper Pumpkin kits come with written instructions on how to create it. You can also go to the Paper Pumpkin YouTube channel and they will show you how to create each project. If you sign up Paper Pumpkin through me, I do send you 3 alternative projects that you can create using the kit. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And don't forget to leave me that comment, whether you prefer to stay on schedule or if you don't care, you don't mind going off schedule. Thank you so much. I hope you all have a wonderful and safe weekend, and I hope to see you back here on Monday. We'll see you then. Take care.